If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Google Pixel 9a, first of all, we're gonna go to the settings. Once you open settings, scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and style. And then you can go to more wallpapers. And over here we can choose my photos. Over here we can select a photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose camera. And let's select this photo. Besides that, we can use this button over here that allows you to create a cinematic wallpaper, which adds 3D and motion effect to the photo. You can also tap on the home screen or lock screen, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the position of the photo. And we can then press the check in the top right corner. There we go. And once you are ready, press Set Wallpaper in the top right corner. Choose if you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both, and then press Set. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!